Be a part of the first ever exhibition on dispensing technologies in manufacturing and a specialized pavilion on lubrication to address Industry 4.0, IIoT and environmental protection benchmarks. A power-packed exhibition, high-energy seminars, useful workshops, attended by process engineering and product development professionals. Don't miss the opportunity. Visit Bombay Exhibition and Convention Centre, Mumbai, 28th to 30th November 2018. Register on www.mat-dispens.com or call on 98336-24830. Organized by Focused Events. 15 plus years creating innovative, original trade show concepts.